In today's world, energy efficiency is more important than ever. For Meridian homeowners, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the most effective ways to lower energy bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and increase home comfort. Whether you're building a new home or replacing old, drafty windows, finding the right energy-efficient window installation solutions can make all the difference. Here's everything you need to know about enhancing your home with energy-saving windows. Why choose energy-efficient windows? Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. For Meridian residents, this means better indoor comfort throughout the year and lower energy costs. Key benefits: lower utility bills. By reducing the need for heating and cooling, energy-efficient windows can significantly cut your monthly energy expenses. Improved comfort. No more drafts or hot spots. These windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. UV protection. Advanced coatings block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading. Environmental impact. Using less energy reduces your home's carbon footprint, contributing to a greener planet. Increased home value. Energy-efficient upgrades are a sought-after feature that can enhance your property's resale value. Features of energy-efficient windows. When choosing energy-efficient windows for your Meridian home, look for these essential features. Low E-glass coatings. Reflects heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. Reduces heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter. Double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas, argon or krypton, between them provides superior thermal performance. Insulated frames. Frames made of vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials help reduce heat transfer and improve durability. Warm edge spacers. These components separate glass panes and reduce heat conduction, enhancing energy efficiency. Energy Star certification. Look for windows that meet or exceed Energy Star standards for optimal performance. Professional installation matters. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform as intended if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures a perfect fit, proper sealing, and long-lasting performance. Benefits of professional installation. Precision fit. Professionals measure and install windows to exact specifications, preventing gaps and air leaks. Proper insulation. Expert sealing techniques ensure maximum energy efficiency. Warranty protection. Many manufacturers require professional installation to validate warranties. Time and cost savings. Trained installers complete the job efficiently, avoiding costly mistakes. Energy-efficient window options for Meridian homes. Meridian's climate calls for windows that can handle both hot summers and cold winters. Here are some popular options for local homeowners. Casement windows. Hinged on one side, these windows open fully to provide excellent ventilation and a tight seal when closed. Double-hung windows. Both sashes move for flexible ventilation, while modern designs offer improved energy efficiency compared to older models. Picture windows. Fixed windows with large panes that let in plenty of natural light without compromising insulation. Bay and bow windows. Stylish and energy-efficient options that add architectural interest while providing excellent thermal performance. Sliding windows. Easy to operate and ideal for spaces where ventilation is key, with energy-efficient designs that minimize air leaks. Tips for choosing the right solution. Evaluate your needs. Assess your home's energy inefficiencies and decide which areas need improvement. Set a budget. Energy-efficient windows are an investment. Choose options that balance performance and affordability. Research materials. Select durable, low-maintenance materials suited to Meridian's climate. Partner with a trusted installer. Work with local experts who understand the specific needs of Meridian homeowners. Conclusion. An energy-efficient window installation is a smart investment for Meridian residents looking to save money, improve comfort, and enhance their home's value. By choosing windows with advanced energy-saving features and partnering with a trusted installer, you can transform your home into a more sustainable, comfortable, and attractive living space. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult with a local provider to explore the best options for your needs and budget. With the right energy-efficient window installation solutions, you can enjoy lasting benefits that make your home a better place to live.